In this video, we will talk about how to craft a sales pitch that resonates with potential clients. So, without wasting time, let's get this started. What we will cover in this video: hook, identify their fun points, like basically the structure. Let's get this started without telling this. Crafting a compelling pitch that resonates with potential clients. Crafting a compelling pitch that resonates with potential clients is essential for successful B2B sales. Let's create a sales pitch that captures their attention and drives action. Let's see. The first point, start with the hook. And what are the sample openings you can use? Imagine streamlining your supply chain operations, reducing costs, and boosting efficiency. That's exactly what our solution offers. So you can make it like this if it resonates with your potential clients. Just hook them on their pain points. Just let them know that you know what you are talking about to solve their problem. And the second point, what you can use in your sales pitch, sample questions there. Are you struggling with manual data entry and errors? Is managing multiple vendors causing headaches? And the pitch you can do there, our solution tackles these pain points head on, basically. So that's how you can just pitch them by just there you have just identified the problem, like you just said, here is the problem that we solve. This is the thing we do, and you have just identified their pain points. Just asking them the questions, you have just agitated the pain points. So here you have sold them the dream result, talked about the dream result there, and here you have just agitated the pain points. You have agitated the problems currently they are facing, and in and here you have just pitched your solution that this is what you do, and and now here you are talking about how you can do this. So what are the sample statements you can use? Automate repetitive tasks, saving your team hours. Centralize vendor management for seamless collaboration. Real-time analytics for data-driven decisions. And you can use numbers there. Quantify if possible. Reduce processing time by 30%. Achieve cost savings of up to 20%. So that's how you can do this. And share success stories, case studies of your past clients. One of the samples, you can use something like this. One of our clients, XYZ Corporation, increased order accuracy by 25% after implementing our solution. So you can just show your client success stories there and address objections proactively. One of the Let's see the example of it. You might wonder about implementation. Rest assured, our team handles seamless onboarding. So you are just proactively addressing their objections there, and then how you can show all this. You can use visuals uh, by just doing the simplicity, like use visuals or visual aids, charts showing cost savings, workflow diagrams illustrating efficiency gains. Keep language clear and concise. Don't overcomplicate, basically. And our solution integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. It's clear and concise. No steep learning curve. Your team can start using it immediately. So it's clear and concise. So this is what the examples to you can follow this according to your industry and audience. End with a strong call to action. What are the examples of it? Let's see. Let's schedule a demo tailored to your needs. Ready to explore how you can transform your operations? Contact us today. This is what the examples of what we have talked about. That's how you can craft a compelling pitch that resonates with potential clients. And remember, a compelling pitch focuses on solving their problems and demonstrating value. Customize this structure based on your product, service, and client context. Note, adapt the sample pitch to your specific industry and audience. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, Ask me in the comments, and I will answer your questions and help you out. And I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. See you.